Hello guys, it's me Turkey Mario, and today I bought this thing at Target, and today I will be opening it and see what's inside. And also it comes with a Shulker, an Enderman, an Alex, and a Steve. And I'm really excited, and the most I want to get is a Shulker, so here we go. Okay guys, here I am, and it's time.
Hello, it's me, Black to Channel.
Yeah, it's time to open it.
Well, I think it's something like the...
Oh, and I also like this enchanted shovel. Wow.
Brett
Anyway, guys,
TV,
it's time.
like those Minecraft mining kits.
Yeah. Well, it's not a mining kit. And it also comes with sand. And so, yeah, I'm just going to open this. Ooh, look at this nice sand. Sandstone. Looks like a grass sand block.
Whoa.
What is this? I'm pretty sure we're supposed to take it out.
Yeah. I'm supposed to rip it because like there's like something there. See on the edges.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's supposed to, okay.
It's
Oh!
kind of like kinetic sand.
Oh, so we're supposed to dig
it.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just going to fast forward this a little bit. Okay, guys, and we already have our first sneak peek. It looks like a Steve or something. Okay, guys, this is...
Like a little bag in there.
No, what's it called? So I'm pretty sure like that is...
It's
called,
yeah, that's a little bag.
Oh, yeah, it is.
It's
Yeah.
I see some purple over there.
Yeah, like, but it also comes with some like... What's it called? Like some sand molds. So I'm just going to take it out right now.
I see something purple over here. What is that? Oh, wait. Wait, how does this smell? I smell something right now.
Oh yeah, guys. So like this is the thing that's in here.
Whoa.
Oh, these are one of the. It's called one of the molds. There's some sand stuck in there. I don't feel like getting that out right now. And now here's the main attraction of today.
Okay.
See what we got here. It's not a Shulker. I already know.
Is it an Enderman?
It's the Steve.
Wow, that looks pretty cool. Oh, look, he has a little dragon egg.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool,
Yeah,
guys.
it's like he has a dragon egg. Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Are you kind of disappointed?
Well, yeah, kind of, because I really wanted a Shulker.
But do you still like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put them on here.
I'm just gonna clean that up.
Oh, wait a minute. Is this like dragon egg? Like, did Steve just like...
No.
Dragon egg? Because it looks, look, this kind of looks shiny a little bit.
I know, like, but I'm thinking,
But,
like,
yeah.
that's like the Ender portal thing.
Oh,
Yeah, like the
obsidian?
black. No, like the black thing that's inside the Ender portal. So like you see like something sparkly. No, okay, look.
This kind of looks like a shulker box, not gonna lie.
So you have the Ender portal right here.
Uh-huh.
And then there's like a little black stuff inside when you go inside.
Oh!
Yeah.
Wow, this sand really feels good.
Put this Minecraft Steve inside my potion that I used in the video. Yeah, so it's been like a long time because like there's like a bit of dust on the bottle. Yeah, trying to see Steve's new friends. So we've got the witch, the villager, another Steve, and a skeleton. Yeah, this is the skeleton that I broke on the fall. And someone put this Steve inside. Right next to the... Oh well. Good luck, Steve. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. Bye. Sepadio.